Are you a knitter looking for a quick spring and summer project? Then you have landed on the right video. Hi everyone, this is Eri from Palmeri Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you how to knit this beautiful mason jar cover. First part of this project is about construction, and then later on I will be actually showing the knitting process. If you'd like to skip some parts, there is a timestamp in the description below. For this project, I will be using Cascade 220 Ultra Pima cotton yarn. It is a DK weight yarn and one hank is 220 yards per 100 grams. It is 100% Pima cotton yarn. Pima cotton is higher quality material compared to regular cotton. It is softer but stronger and also got this nice silky texture. I will be using the colorway natural, but this line offered so many colorways, so I'm sure you can find your favorite color for this project. For a side note, there is Ultra Pima Cotton Fine, which is a sports weight yarn, so be careful when you're purchasing. To complete this project, you will need a crochet hook. I used size E, but similar to this size is fine. This is only for cast on. You will also need scissors and then blunt tapestry needle to weave in the end. For the knitting needles, I use a size US 6 4mm circular knitting needles. The length should be 22 inches or longer to use a magic loop method. I love using ChiaoGoo twist red lace circular knitting needles since the connection is very smooth. The tip is tapered and sharp, and the cord is very flexible. So it's very easy to work on the project, especially when I'm using magic loop method. You can also use US 6 double pointed needles. All the supplies are also listed down below. I also have a free pattern on my webpage at palmericrafts.com. You can click the link to get to the full pattern. First, we are going to cast on 6 stitches using Emily Oakard's circular cast on. If you're not familiar with this method, I have another tutorial listed down below. Or simply click the pop-up on the right corner of this screen. I'm a little awkward when it comes to crochet since I don't really crochet, so if you're intimidated using this method because of the crochet hook, I promise you it's not really that bad and it's worth the practice. This method is absolutely amazing. Now I have 6 stitches. I'm going to transfer these stitches onto circular knitting needle. From here, I am going to be using magic loop method. Again, I have another tutorial for the method, so you can click the link down below or use the pop-up on the right corner of this screen. When you set up the magic loop method, make sure the working yarn is on the back needle, and instead of going around like this, that will create a extra stitch as a yarn over. So make sure you're bringing the working yarn in between these 2 needles and toward the back. So this is how you set up the magic loop. pull the back needle and start working on this first round. Next few rounds are going to be increasing rounds. So we are going to yarn over first stitch, knit, and when it's come to magic loop method, make sure you tighten the first stitch so there won't be too much gap in here. Yarn over again, knit, yarn over again, and knit. So you're going to repeat yarn over, knit one, yarn over, knit one for the first round. Yarn over and make sure right here is tight. Knit one, yarn over, knit one, yarn over, and knit one. And if you get lost where you are at, whenever you have the tail, that's the beginning of the round. Second round is going to be yarn over, knit two, yarn over, knit two, yarn over, knit two. And we'll do the same for the other side. And then third round is going to be repeat of yarn over, knit three. Continue doing this until you reach yarn over, knit 7 stitches, and total of 48 stitches on the needles. By the way, if you like learning how to knit this mason jar cover, please hit like and also subscribe for future updates. Every click will help this channel grow. Thank you for supporting Palmeri Arts and Crafts. Now we have 48 stitches. I am going to move on to the pattern. The first row is going to be yarn over, knit two together, slip, slip, knit, knit one and two, yarn over, knit one, yarn over, knit two, knit two together, and knit. And we are going to repeat this all the way to the end of this round. And if you don't know how to do yarn over, knit two together, or slip, slip, knit, I also have tutorials for each stitches, so you can head over to the linked descriptions. Or you can also click the pop-up on the right corner of this screen. The second round is knit all the way to the end. The third round is slip, slip, knit, yarn over, knit one, slip, slip, knit, knit one, yarn over, knit one, yarn over, knit twice, knit two together. Repeat this pattern until the end. And the fourth round is to knit all the way to the end. And you can repeat round 1 through 4 8 more times. And once you are done knitting 8 more times, then you can simply bind off, weave in all the end, and then you have the mason jar cover. Now you can add this beautiful mason jar cover to your everyday living space. What are you using this for? Please leave your idea in the comment section below. If you have a Ravelry account, please share your beautiful item at Palmeri Arts and Crafts. Thank you for watching. See you next time!